A very warm welcome. You're watching the Super Saturday Debate. I'm Akanksha Swaroop. Now, in a statement that could reshape the political landscape of Maharashtra politics, Shiv Sena UBT leader Sanjay Raut today announced that the party will contest upcoming local body elections on their own. Raut has commented that they will contest the upcoming local body elections not just in Mumbai, but also in Thane, Pune and Nagpur, with an aim to empower party workers and test their own individual strength. Talking to reporters, the Rajya Sabha MP said that the India Bloc and Mahavikas Aghadi alliances were for the Lok Sabha and Assembly polls. In fact, a miffed Raut has hit out at Congress leader Vijay Wadetiwar for indulging in a blame game. This over the MVA's defeat in the state assembly. Now, Raut has said that those who don't believe in consensus and compromise have no right to be in an alliance. At a time when political pundits are intrigued after both Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and former Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray have hinted at a possibility of a realliance, and the bitterness within the MVA is in your face, is Uddhav Thackeray planning on a Ghar Wapsi to the Mahayuti? Let's get started.
काही होऊ शकतं, म्हणजे झालं पाहिजे असं नाहीये, पण काही होऊ शकतं. उद्धव ठाकरे तिकडे जातात, अजित पवार इकडे येतात, काय राजकारणात काही होऊ शकतं. असं व्हावं असं बिलकुल नाही, किंवा ते होणंही काही फार चांगलं आहे या मताचं मी नाही. पण आता शेवटी राजकारणामध्ये हे लक्षात ठेवलं पाहिजे की खूप ठामपणे असं होणारच नाही असं ज्यावेळेस आपण म्हणतो, त्यावेळेस राजकीय परिस्थिती तुम्हाला कुठे नेऊन बसवे याचा काही भरोसा नाही.
नाही, मी काय म्हटलं, इंडिया त्यावेळेला असेल तर इंडियाची लोक सुद्धा येऊ शकतात. त्यावेळेस जे सरकार असेल ते येऊ शकतात. कारण तेव्हा कसं काय होईल, आता भूमिपूजनाच्या वेळेस मी मुख्यमंत्री होतो, आज कुठे मुख्यमंत्री असं.
महाराष्ट्र में एक परंपरा रही है कि हम किसी से व्यक्तिगत दुश्मनी नहीं करते राजनीति. क्या एजेंसीज का मिसयूज करके किसी को जेल में डालो, किसी के फैमिली को तकलीफ दो. अगर ये परंपरा आप तोड़ने जा रहे हो तो हम आपका स्वागत करेंगे.
कई अपेक्षा कर आदरणीय उद्धव बाळासाहेब ठाकरे जी का इस बारे में बात करेंगे. नेताओं के हमारे केंद्र के उसके बारे में जो निर्णय आएगा उसको हम स्वीकार करेंगे.
Our esteemed panelists tonight are Tuhin Sinha, National Spokesperson for the Bharatiya Janata Party, Charan Singh Sapra, the National Spokesperson for the Congress Party, Kishore Tiwari, who is the leader at the Shiv Sena UBT. Many thanks to you, gentlemen, for joining in. Kishore ji, if I could begin with you, let's have it straight from the horse's mouth. Is it true that you're going solo in the upcoming polls now, whether it is Mumbai, Nagpur, Thane or Pune, as has already been claimed by Mr. Raut?
हाँ, आकांक्षा, विधानसभा के चुनाव में जो रिजल्ट आए हमारे बहुत खराब थे, और अभी हमें ऑर्गेनाइजेशन संगठनात्मक बांधनी करने के लिए और हमारे कैडर को रीमोटिवेट करने के लिए हमने ऐसा डिसाइड किया है कि जहां जहां हो वहां वहां हम सोवल पे लड़ेंगे, यानी खुद के भरोसे लड़ेंगे, अकेले लड़ेंगे. लेकिन जहां लोकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग है वहां पर दूसरी यानी इंडिया गठबंधन के साथ रहेंगे. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हम बीजेपी के साथ जा रहे हैं. हम राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर, राज्य स्तर पर विपक्ष बोलकर हम महाविकास आघाड़ी का हिस्सा रहेंगे. आकांक्षा, ये बात क्लियर है. लेकिन स्थानीय निकाय के चुनाव, इसके पहले भी हम बीजेपी के साथ थे, तब भी अलग अलग लड़ते थे.
जी, मुझे पता है किशोर जी, आप 2017 की भी बात करेंगे, 2012 की भी बात करेंगे, जब आपने बीजेपी के साथ लड़ाई लड़ी थी. पर उस टाइम पे कोई एक विजय वडेट्टीवार नाम के व्यक्ति नहीं थे जिन्होंने आपकी लॉयल्टीज को क्वेश्चन किया था. आज आपकी लॉयल्टीज को उन्होंने क्वेश्चन किया है कि ये कंस्पिरेसी है. और जानबूझ के सीट शेयरिंग के वक्त सेना यूबीटी के लीडर्स टाइम पे नहीं आते थे। 11 बजे की मीटिंग होती थी, 2 बजे नहीं आते, 2 बजे तक आते थे। और शिवसेना यूबीटी अभी तक जग नहीं रही है, ये एक लार्जर कंस्पिरेसी है। आपको नहीं लग रहा कि आपकी इज्जत और लॉयल्टीज को क्वेश्चन किया जा रहा है?
अब कांग्रेस से हम सर्टिफिकेट की जरूरत नहीं ले रहे। विजय वडेट्टीवार जो बात कह रहे हैं, हाँ, तो कुछ इंटरनल डिस्कशन भी बहुत होते थे, तो कुछ हमको वहां पर जाकर क्या बोलना है इसके लिए हमारे मीटिंग्स होते थे, तो डिले तो होता था। लेकिन टिकट के बंटवारे में होने वाले डिले के वजह से टिकट के अंदर गलत टिकटें गलत जगह पर गलत पार्टी ने टिकट लेने के वजह से, टिकटें बेचने के वजह से, टिकटें चमचों को देने के वजह से हम हारे। यह बहुत बड़ा कारण है और ये कारण अभी हमारे कार्यकर्ता बहुत उग्र रूप से देख रहे हैं। मुझे बताइए, हम हिंदू पार्टी है, हम राइटिस्ट पार्टी है, एक कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम पर हम कांग्रेस के साथ आए, लेकिन कांग्रेस के नेता सावरकर को गाली, सनातन को गाली, ये टाल सकते थे ना, टाल सकते थे। हमने तो राहुल गांधी को केंद्र में नेता माना था, उनको बोला कि पंतप्रधान के हमारे कैंडिडेट है, वो बड़ा दिल्ली नहीं करते।
टालना शब्द का प्रयोग मत करिए, क्योंकि आप अगर किसी आइडियोलॉजी में बिलीव करते हैं तो वो आज बोलें या कल बोलें, वो आइडियोलॉजी डिसरिस्पेक्ट हो रही है। चलिए, चरण सिंह साबरा, you heard the grouse coming in from Sena UBT, and even Mr. Raut has gone on to say that those who do not believe in consensus and compromise have no right to stay in an alliance. Is this the first indication, this whole thing of going solo in the bipoles, of what is to come your way as far as MVA is concerned?
No, Akanksha, I feel every party has the right to decide in the local body elections that whether they have to go solo or whether they have to contest in alliance. And as far as we have been seeing in Maharashtra, when the local body elections are there, all the parties, they contest separately also. So I feel there's no harm in it if Sanjay Raut or Shiv Sena has said that they are going to go solo. That's what even we are getting the feedback from the grassroots level of Congress party. The grassroots level Congress worker is also expressing their feeling that we should go solo for all the 23 municipal corporation elections, including Mumbai Municipal Corporation election. I don't think so. But the other part of this, whereby the media is trying to say, that Uddhav Thackeray is going closer to BJP or is getting cozy to BJP, I don't think so that is going to happen. These are mere speculations. Because why BJP will take Uddhav Thackeray with them? They have good equation with whatever setup they are having in Maharashtra as well as at center.
I think Tuhin will be able to answer that. But Charan, I think you'd also want to perhaps answer that bit of blame game that has put you and Congress's own leadership when it comes to heading any alliance, whether it is India Alliance as a whole or even the MVA in Maharashtra. That's being questioned now only because that largesse of a leader is not being displayed. The blame game, that is what they are fed up of, and we see that happening not just with the Sena UBT but even with the Aam Aadmi Party, even with the TMC, the Samajwadi Party. They are all voicing the same and joining the chorus.
See, Akanksha, when you're talking about Aam Aadmi Party and TMC and all, let me remind you that this India Alliance was largely for the Lok Sabha election. This setup was made for the Lok Sabha elections, and when it comes to the state elections, we have different permutation combinations. Even for the Lok Sabha, I would like to remind you that in Punjab, we had no alliance with Aam Aadmi Party. We went against each other and we could win 8 seats in Punjab. So these are different permutation combinations. This cannot be clubbed. As far as situation in Maharashtra is concerned, there are local body elections. And if all the parties, they want to go solo, then it can happen. That is the demand of the local grassroots worker. They also want opportunity to show their leadership qualities. So it can happen anyway.
All right. Tuhin Sinha, is that an indication that now that Lok Sabha is over, so is this alliance? And would you like to respond to what Charan Singh Sapra had to say
Well, good evening.
right now
Good evening,
in terms of opening doors to Sena UBT?
Good evening, Akansha. Good evening,
Tuvin
everybody.
has no authority to say.
Indie
listen.
Alliance, the Indie Alliance has always been an illusion.
Tuvin,
now
you should speak about
अरे
NDA
किशोर जी
only.
शांत
Kishore
होइए.
ji, he didn't intervene
इलेक्शन
when you
हो
were
गया है.
talking.
इलेक्शन हो चुका है. इलेक्शन के समय आपने धमकियां दी थी मुझे. वो क्या करा पाए? He had issued warning to me that I will not be able to live in Maharashtra. What happened after that? So anyway, the point is
No,
the
you are
Indie
not
Alliance.
living in Maharashtra.
The Indie Alliance is in absolute disarray, especially after the defeat in Haryana and Maharashtra. किसी भी successful alliance के लिए आपको नेता, नीति, नियत की जरूरत होती है. इनके पास केवल अराजकता, अनिश्चितता और अक्षमता है. So the Indie Alliance is an illusion. Now
Tuvin has no authority to intervene in our affairs.
I'm glad that Kishore ji at least called out the Congress party for its Savarkar bashing. The Congress party throughout the Maharashtra elections was fraternizing with the ulema, was entertaining the demands of the ulema. If UBT had the courage to stand up against it at that point of time, probably they would not have suffered the fate which they suffered in these elections. But it is too late.
All right, but when
for
you're talking
UBT.
about Neta, Niti and Niyat, what is the BJP's Neta, Niti and Niyat right now? You've already joined hands with an Eknath Shinde, then why have those optics of
so
Mr.
let me-
Fadnavis, exchanging
let me-
flowers
let
and sharing that space with Uddhav
Let me
Thackeray?
make this very clear that after the Maharashtra fiasco for the Agadi, we have been getting overtures from both the parties, from Sharad Pawarji's parties and from UBT. But at this point of time, there is no question of any realignment because obviously the voters have voted in a particular way. They have defeated those parties.
All right,
But
I quickly
yes,
want to bring in.
But yes, we appreciate the change of heart of UBT where they call out the Congress party for their repeated Savarkar bashing. We appreciate that.
किशोर तिवारी, दैट्स ऑल्सो अ क्वेश्चन आईड लाइक टू पोज. देखिए, आप अगर आइडियोलॉजी की बात करें तो हिंदुत्व में फेथ, आप मराठा कॉज की भी अगर बात करें, आपको नहीं लगता कि आप इधर के बजाय उधर ज्यादा सूटेड हैं?
बहुत लेट हो गया.
किशोर जी,
देखो, चरण सिंह ने बराबर बोला कि चरण छापरा ने बताया अभी हमें एडजस्ट कर लिए ना. मुझे एक बताइए कि बीजेपी के 235 एमएलए है और दिल्ली में भी उनका ठीक चल रहा है. हमको अपोजिशन में रखा है, अपोजिशन की भूमिका में रहेंगे. और जहां तक लोकल स्थानीय इकाई के चुनाव है तो जहां पर समझौता होगा वहां समझौता होगा, जहां नहीं होगा वो नहीं होगा. लेकिन मैं कह रहा हूं तो बीजेपी के खिलाफ लड़ने के लिए इंडिया गठबंधन एक है और आपको हमारे पे बोलने की क्या जरूरत है? आप अपनी तानाशाही, महाराष्ट्र की लूट, अडानी का राज, इस पे बोलिए ना. आप महाराष्ट्र में भ्रष्टाचार थामनार नहीं, आता महाराष्ट्र थामनार नहीं, क्या बोलते हो?
all right.
क्या चल रहा है?
I think Tuhin wants to make a rebuttal.
Just
and
one simple point, the decisive defeat of the Agadi in these Maharashtra elections was the result of the 2.5 years of fiasco which they presided over in Maharashtra between November 2019 and June 2022. The kind of anarchy, the kind of extortion raj which Maharashtra has seen under them, it will never tolerate it. So Kishore Tiwari ji, you may acknowledge your errors, you may acknowledge your mistake, but I think it is too late in the day to do that.
All right, let me quickly bring in Rajat Sethi. Rajat Sethi, thank you so much for so patiently awaiting your turn. Rajat, every other ally to the Congress or the Congress is being labelled as B team to the BJP, whether it is now the upcoming bypolls in Maharashtra or the elections in Delhi. Can such an alliance even stick together if just derailing the BJP is their agenda? It just reminds me of what Arvind Kejriwal has been questioning the BJP, that what is your agenda? I want to know what is the India Alliance's agenda.
So the itch, it's barely been 2 months since the Maharashtra election is over, but look at the itch of these parties to sit on the opposition chairs. Sitting in the opposition requires huge amount of patience, and if of all parties, they should learn it from the BJP, how they stuck and ensured that they are working for the people, for the people's policy for long durations. But the problem is the India Alliance was a stillborn case. It was not viable at the time of design itself. Then you saw that this startup, once it, on paper was trying to come out, the main co-founder of this startup called India Alliance, Mr. Nitish Kumar, left. Thereafter, we saw a cascade of leaders right from Jammu Kashmir all the way till South India. Everybody one by one, they started leaving that alliance. And today in the show, we see the Congress's spokesperson Charanji is also saying that this alliance purpose is over. So in all clarity, he has told that people should not look up to India Alliance as a viable option against the BJP. Now I don't understand. Kishore ji is on one side trying to say that no. It was not even functional during the time of the Lok Sabha elections, because clearly in Punjab election they fought differently. So this friendly contest right from West Bengal to Punjab was happening. So the problem with the opposition is that if you do not have ideological consistency, that glue sort of weakens very quickly. It doesn't even take like 4 or 5 years for an alliance to run through. It will fall the moment there are small cracks which come up.
And not just ideological, not just ideological consistencies. Charan Singh Sapra, Sanjay Raut also shared his grouse of how there was no equal seat sharing, and why only Sanjay Raut or Shiv Sena UBT. We've seen that happen in Uttar Pradesh when Samajwadi Party was becoming a bone of contention for you all. At the same time, I mean, if you look at Aam Aadmi Party, they've even gone their way that they don't even want to get into the mathematics of this. So it's not just about ideological inconsistencies. They believe that you are not willing to give the due to these regional parties and to the kind of authorities they command in the regions they are operating.
No, it's not about Congress not giving the dues to these regional parties or the consistency in the ideologies also. Let me remind the analyst on the panel that what is the ideological similarities between Om Prakash Rajbar and Bharatiya Janata Party? Are there any similarities? Are they not demanding things which BJP doesn't want to do? So there are so many things which we can talk over here. But in Maharashtra, the situation is different. We are today discussing Maharashtra. Let's not mix that up with Delhi or with UP or everything. In Maharashtra, the situation at present is that there are local body elections. And local body elections are much, much more important for every party.
Exactly, which is why we have to equate it at the national level also.
No, you should not. That's what I'm saying. You have to de-link Maharashtra for time being, because these are local body elections. The equation, the scenario, the political scenario in Maharashtra is going to be pertaining to the local body elections. So you will be listening to what you are talking today about Sanjay Raut. And tomorrow, let me also remind you, tomorrow there's a big rally of Bharatiya Janata Party. They might declare tomorrow that they will be going solo in Maharashtra. Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar, they have to contest separately. This is probably the BJP can declare this tomorrow. You can ask Tuhin Sinha on this.
I will.
In Maharashtra, there might be a situation again when all the political parties will contest solo.
Tuhin Sinha, of course, I'm going to come to you, but also one quick word on everybody who's questioning the optics of Uddhav Thackeray's meeting with Devendra Fadnavis. Many have even said that is it also to keep Mr. Eknath Shinde in check?
Well, Devendra ji does not deny meetings. If you seek meetings, and I think, Uddhav ji sought 2 meetings in the last 1 month. So he had those meetings. You can't deny meetings, because in politics, we are not here to run down other people. We work in a collaborative fashion. And we have made this very clear. But I repeat, there is no question of realignment right now. The opposition parties have followed a very strange pattern from 2014 onwards. For the first 4 years, they denounce each other, they hit out at each other, and then suddenly, just before the elections in the last 6 months, they get together. People have seen through such a opportunist alliance, and I don't think people of this country will trust such an alliance anymore. When they don't succeed, they start calling each other the B team of the BJP. I can tell you that to be the B team of the BJP, you need to think in national interest. You need to be you need to think for the development of the country, and these opposition parties are incapable.
All right, I'd like to close in with Kishore Tiwari's thoughts. Kishore Tiwari, everybody is saying that you still had a greater sort of आइडेंटिटी, अगर आपकी पार्टी की अस्तित्व की बात करें तो सब कहते हैं कि इंडिया अलायंस तब तो था नहीं जब बाला साहेब थे. उद्धव ठाकरे जी ने आज खुद ही ये बात बोली है। तो जो हिंदुत्व का फेथ है या महाराष्ट्र प्राइड की अगर बात करें तो यू वर बेटर सूटेड फॉर द महायुति। देन वेयर इज द पॉलिटिकल आइडेंटिटी ऑफ योर ओन पार्टी हेडेड?
नहीं, एक बात मैं बता दूं, अभी बीजेपी को खुद के भरोसे ही मेजॉरिटी है। ऊपर से उनके पास जो लोग हैं तो 235 लोग तो वो खुद है। हाँ, उसमें हम जबरदस्ती थोड़ी जाके गिरेंगे। अरे हमें अपोजिशन का चांस दिया है,
हम बुलाएंगे भी नहीं।
कांग्रेस तो तू ही जी मेरी बात सुन लो।
नहीं, हम बुलाएंगे भी नहीं अपनी तरफ से।
अरे मेरी बात तो सुनो। हाँ, अरे भाई हम जा ही नहीं रहे, हम विपक्ष बोल के काम करेंगे। हमारे में से कुछ लोग जाना चाहते हैं तो उद्धव जी ने बोला है कि भाई चले जाओ, अब हम नए लोगों को लेके साथ काम करेंगे। और जो बात कर रहे हैं ना आप, तो आवर डिसीजन ऑफ गोइंग सोलो विल बी टेकन आफ्टर टॉकिंग विथ खरगे एंड राहुल गांधी जी and Uddhav Thackeray ji.
All right.
This is the
I'd like to quickly bring in Rajat Sethi. Rajat Sethi, I'd like your closing thoughts. Not to forget the bright words coming in from Prithvi Raj Chavan, who himself has said that the Aam Aadmi Party will be winning. How do you in Delhi? So I'm sorry, I cannot segregate
Akansha, this
comments.
is final.
No,
Kejriwal
I
is
cannot
coming to
segregate. Yes, I can't segregate words coming in from various political leaders who belong to Congress party themselves. Rajat Sethi, I can't segregate Maharashtra from the overall scenario.
This is the state of mighty confusion that every single party which is not in the NDA is going through. I pity them. Instead of at the
Rajat, why are you pity?
Let him finish. I am only left with 15 seconds, Kishore ji.
From a citizen standpoint, Kishore ji, I can tell you that we all want a strong opposition.
Why are you so pity
Always
to
a
us?
strong opposition is helpful, but look at the decimation that you've gone through.
We are already gear up as a
So the
opposition.
problem is that you need to go back to the people, go and interact with them. Where did you lose? But the problem is that you are more bothered about कि भाई विपक्ष में तो बैठना ही नहीं है, किसी भी तरह सत्ता का लॉलीपॉप हाथ में रहना ही चाहिए चूसते रहने के लिए। तो अब वो प्रॉब्लम है, वो डिजाइन कॉन्स्ट्रक्ट की प्रॉब्लम है आप लोगों की।
अरे भाई साहब, नहीं है,
विपक्ष में बैठने के
क्यों
लिए
बदनाम कर रहे
What do we do? We voters
क्यों बदनाम कर रहे
हैं?
do not have accountable
Tuhin,
opposition.
quick.
This is why I'm worried.
10 seconds.
किशोर जी ने कहा कि हमारे कुछ लोग जाना चाहते हैं बीजेपी के साथ। ये क्या वही लोग हैं जिनकी राज्यसभा की टर्म खत्म हो रही है? आप जरा क्लैरिफाई करेंगे।
और
अरे भाई
कौन से
भाई
लोग हैं?
झगड़े का कारण तो वही थे, लेकिन कुछ लोग हैं दिल्ली में बैठे हुए,
देखिए संजय
वो
राउत
लोग
पर
लॉबिंग
खुला
कर रहे हैं।
इशारा
Chaliye,
कर रही हैं।
thank you so much. On that note, I have some breaking inputs coming in from Delhi itself. Many thanks to our panelists for joining in. Now